It's a beautiful evening and the last place you want to be is stuck in your office working on large and bulky data. But of course, your boss had some last minute changes which absolutely have to be done by tomorrow morning. This is what I went to college for, you think to yourself as you curse Excel for ruining your evening. Over the past years, I've heard several variations of this story over and over again. I know you're a smart person, capable of adding tremendous value to your organization. Yet, you spend most of your time working on tedious and dehumanizing job that Excel should be doing for you. It's not your fault though, as no one ever taught you this fundamental skill until now. Hi, I'm Supreet Agrawal and I'm presenting you all a very innovative course called Let's Excel with Microsoft Excel. In this course, we are going to learn Microsoft Excel right from basics to most advanced functionalities that you can use in your professional as well as personal life to achieve various operational as well as management objectives. I have many years of corporate experience in one of the big 4 audit firms, due to which I've developed keen interest in Microsoft Excel. Now, let's talk about the course. The most exciting and extraordinary thing about the course is that it has been divided in 35 video lectures with an average duration of 4 minutes each. That is, total duration of just 2.5 hours. The course has been structured in 6 sections. Firstly, we'll have an introduction of the Microsoft Excel along with the key terminologies used in the Microsoft Excel. Then, we will move towards data entry and understanding of most frequently used shortcut keys and most frequently used formulae. After this, we will learn about creating interactive and communicative reports using pivot tables and charts. With this, the understanding of basics of Microsoft Excel would be completed, and hence, we will move towards the intermediate level of the course. That is, we will discuss about functionality of each button given under the ribbon of the Microsoft Excel. After this, we will learn about some of the advanced functionalities available in Microsoft Excel, such as Power Query, Power Pivot, Advanced Formulae, etc. So, I have taken a balanced approach in covering all topics related to Microsoft Excel in this course. This course would be a learning experience for students who want to learn Microsoft Excel right from basics, as well as for professionals who want to learn the advanced functionalities available in Microsoft Excel. Another remarkable point about the course is that the Excel file used in the lectures have been attached to the respective lectures for ease of reference later. Now, if you want to know any further details about the course, please refer to the description of the course. I assure you that this course would be a fun and learning experience for you, and it would transform the way you work with numbers. Enroll for this course to experience yourself how such a vast tool like Microsoft Excel could be covered in just 35 video lectures with an average duration of 4 minutes each, that is, just 2.5 hours. I assure you that your future self would be grateful to you for it. Thank you. Hoping to meet you in the course.